I was wondering if someone wanted to get into sales, if they wanted to start a career in sales, or even if they wanted to learn sales just for their daily life, like you just mentioned,
Hmm.
how would they do so? Like, what is the best way that they could get into sales?
What do you think would be a good way to get into sales?
Well, I think the best way to get into sales probably would be like doing some research, like, I don't know, maybe watching YouTube videos or something like that.
Hmm.
And then maybe asking people that are already in sales advice on like, do you have any advice for me of what I could do in a certain situation
Hmm.
and just stuff like that, I think maybe.
100%. And I think the answer to that too is even easier than you would think. If there was a cool company or something going on and somebody was your age, I think all they would have to do is go over there and say, I love what you guys are doing. Like, let's say there was some company here in town that was fixing up Lamborghinis or doing, modifications on exhausts. And you're like, man, I really love cars. Part of it is just like we had talked about, put a clean shirt on, right? Brush your teeth, comb your hair, and go down there and be like, hey, I really like what you guys are doing. I'm a huge fan of everything that's going on. My name's Anderson, or my name's Bob, or whatever your name is. Anything I can do to help you guys with the business, anything I can do to help get your name out there, just let me know. And I think a lot of times people, they love this idea of making a lot of money. If you put all of that aside and you're like, I just want to get in the game, even if I don't get paid, you'll find that a lot of people, maybe not all of them, but a lot of people will be like, sure, here, we're doing an event next Saturday. You want to help out. You want to do this, come on down. I mean, that's kind of how I started in sales before I ever worked an official sales job for a company. I was always helping out cool people around Boulder, Colorado, being like, hey, do you need any help with this? Or you've got an event coming up, or you've got this. Do you need somebody to hand out flyers? And they didn't even have to pay me, but I got right up at the top and was able to get involved with people and do stuff. And again, I didn't have the YouTube. I couldn't follow Matt Easton on Instagram or TikTok or all of that, but I didn't even need to. It was just a matter of having the confidence to say, hey, I want to get involved and I want to try something new. And I think even if somebody doesn't want to get into sales, that's just a good life skill to have. Is like, be positive, be excited, and try and help other people.